Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to link a card or bank to your PayPal account. The first thing you have to do is make sure that you log into your PayPal account. After that, you come down here, then you see where they give you a request message like link a card or a bank. So what we are doing here is we want to link card to our PayPal account. So you click on link a card or bank. So as you can see, it will bring out three options for you, like what do you want to do, like link a card or bank, link a debit or credit card, any one of the two, link a bank account, then I may send TM accounts. So we're not doing any of these two right now. So what we are doing here is we want to link a debit card to our PayPal account. Then we click on it. After that, so you say link a card, you click on link a card manually. There's what we are going to click on. Then click on it. Then what do? Then you input the details, the necessary details you want to do. So then when you are done, I just link a card to it. So let me just link my card to it, but I'll be inputting here with all the necessary details because of security. Let's see this. Then this is a Visa card, the expiry date. So then I put the security code to. Then the billing address. So I can also change the billing address if I want, but it's not necessary. Then I'll click on link card. Let me check. It says this card is linked to another PayPal account. Please remove the card from the other account or try a different payment method. So I forgot that I already linked this my card to this debit card to one of my PayPal accounts I'm using. So if you are trying to link a card to your PayPal, maybe you don't know how to, so this is the way you can link it to them. After you click on it, it automatically says you've already linked your card to your PayPal account. So if you really enjoyed this video, please give us using a thumb like and subscribe to my channel. Good day everyone, and please keep watching my video. Also we'll be dropping more video on how to create a virtual card that you can actually link to your PayPal account. Good day everyone.